Karen alert. Karen alert.
Yes, you need to leave. You need to leave. We're not serving you.
Hold on, guys. Okay.
We do not serve you. You're not speaking
Excuse
like
me,
that.
but you did say that she needs to go back to her country. What kind of what is that?
Literally, Native Americans are
Excuse
from
me,
this
this is what this
country.
whole world.
White people are not from this country. Don't serve her.
Yeah, you do not serve
Don't
her.
serve
She
her
does not
racist
come
ass.
She is not
You don't tell. No. Continue serving.
Black
Continue
lives matter.
serving.
You need to leave. You're not
No,
a
no,
part of
no,
this.
no, no.
You need to leave. You're not a part of this.
racist.
No.
You're racist.
No, you do not
You
come
just
in here
told-
and use the F word and swear and call me a
You,
B-I-T-C-H.
I've never even said
I
that
said she
word.
is, and
I've
you're
never
not a
even
part of
said
it.
that word.
So
You're
you
making
get out
stuff
of here.
up now.
I know. I said
No.
she is, and that's why she's leaving. So
Okay.
you will leave too.
No.